So, you finally saved your first $1,000. Now what? Do you invest it, save it, buy crypto, start a business? The truth is, most beginners are scared to invest because they think they need to be rich or some kind of financial expert. But honestly, investing your first $1,000 is less about becoming rich overnight and more about building smart habits early. And in this video, I'm going to show you some simple beginner-friendly ways to invest your first $1,000. 1. Don't try to get rich fast. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing quick money. People see flashy videos online promising fast profits, luxury lifestyles, turning $1,000 into $100,000 overnight. That's usually how people lose money. Real investing is slow, steady, and consistent. The goal isn't gambling. The goal is building wealth over time. 2. Start with an emergency fund. Before investing your entire $1,000, make sure you have at least a small emergency fund. Car repairs, medical bills, unexpected expenses. If you invest all your money and suddenly need cash, you might be forced to sell investments at the worst time. Even keeping a few $100s aside can protect you financially. Smart investing starts with stability first. 3. Consider index funds. For most beginners, index funds are one of the safest and easiest ways to start investing. An index fund basically lets you invest in many companies at once instead of trying to pick one perfect stock. That means less risk and less stress. A lot of long-term investors use index funds because they're simple and reliable over time. You don't need to watch the stock market every hour. You just invest consistently and let time do the work. 4. Avoid investing based on hype. A stock is trending, a coin is exploding. Everyone online says it's the next big thing. Be careful. A lot of beginners lose money because they invest emotionally. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it's a smart investment. Always research before putting your money anywhere, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. 5. Invest in yourself too. Honestly, one of the best investments can be you. Learning a skill can increase your income far more than a random investment sometimes. Part of your first $1,000 on learning can create opportunities that pay you for years. Knowledge can make you money forever. Your first $1,000 probably won't change your life overnight, but the habits you build with it absolutely can. Because investing isn't only about money, it's about thinking long-term instead of short-term. Start small, stay consistent, keep learning. Now think about this. If you never learn how to make your money grow, how hard will you have to work forever just to earn more of it?